Hi, it's Mandy from Mindset for Success. Now, today I would like to talk to you about goals. Yes, it's that time of year already. Now, the reason this has come up is with my clients this week, we've been discussing and setting their goals, and I've been drilling down a little bit into why they want to achieve their goals. So the first thing is you want to get clear as to what you want. And then here comes the really important piece. When we are chasing something or aiming or striving to achieve something, our drive comes from inside. Now, internally, our focus has two directions. One is towards what we want, and one is away from what we don't want. And the key piece is to check to see where most of your focus lies. And I'll give you some examples. A classic example is in the field of health. Let's imagine, because this happens at this time of year, that people want to lose a few kilos and get a bit fitter. So one person, they might want to get fit and healthy and lose a few kilos because internally they're thinking and focusing on how they don't want to be overweight anymore. They're sick of feeling so tired and lethargic and not being able to enjoy going to the beach and wearing their bathers on the beach. Perhaps they are fed up with their clothes feeling a bit tight, or they don't want to be like, say, some of their family that might be overweight. So can you understand there how their focus is away from the state that they don't want, the thing, the life, and the feeling that they don't want? Now, another person who wants to lose a few kilos and get healthier, their inner focus might be for all the positive benefits. So they have more energy to run faster or go back and join a gym. Maybe they want to be able to chase after their grandchildren or their children. Maybe they want to go traveling and they want to feel fit so that they can enjoy all the activities that will be on the way. So those are the two differences. Another example, for instance, money is a really common goal for people. So somebody might have a desire to, let's say, prepay all their bills for 3 months. That'd be pretty awesome, wouldn't it? And one person may want to do that because internally they're sick of worrying every week about how they're going to juggle the money to pay the bills. They're fed up with waking up stressed and worried and anxious and almost getting that paralyzing feeling if a bill comes through the mail, or perhaps you get it online these days. Whereas someone else, their reason for prepaying 3 months of their bills maybe because to them that means that I'm a really good saver, I'm really astute and smart with my money. That means I've earned enough money to do it. I've got my budget under control, and it will allow me to have even more freedom and choices by prepaying my bills, so I'll have extra money to book a holiday or go on a treat or a trip. So those are the two types of focuses that are really important that you get clear on. Now, you may know in your head that you think you're totally focused towards what you want, but here's your challenge. Write down in great detail exactly why you want the goal that you do, because that's the really important step, and your language will give you an indication of where your focus is. And then check how you feel and what pictures, sounds and thoughts and feelings are coming up when you think about your goal. And if you have a sense that it may be away from what you want, then ask yourself, well, what do I want instead? And then rewrite your goal so that it is focused towards what you want, so it has positive and towards motivation. That will give you a far better chance of succeeding in your goals this year, because February, which is coming very soon, is the month where traditionally around 80% of New Year's resolutions fail. Yes, 80%. Now, there are many other components necessary in achieving goals, but this is a really important one. And in the meantime, make sure that you check your goals, where your focus is, and write them out so that they're focusing towards everything you want. So they're expanding possibilities and options, not diminishing and moving away from that place or state that you don't want to be in. So thank you. I'm Mandy from Mindset for Success, and make sure you go and plan your awesome towards focus goals this year. Thank you.